Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Excel Book. In this video, Conditional Formatting Part 2, we are going to explore advanced level of conditional formatting. In Conditional Formatting Part 1 video, we had covered all the basic conditional formatting feature. Click on the link and check the same. In this video, we will be showing how to use Formulae to change the formatting of the cells. But before that, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any new video. We will be explaining two examples where in the first example we will look how to identify and format text entries, and in the second example we will be exploring how to identify and format dates in the conditional formatting. In this example we have menu card on the screen of a restaurant for which we want to fill red color for non-vegetarian food and green for vegetarian food. Same way, we'll also change the font color and style for sweets and dessert. To specify conditional formatting based on formula, select cell range C5 to E21, then click on Conditional Formatting tool under Home ribbon. Then click on New Rule. This will lead us to New Formatting Rule dialog box. In the dialog box, select a rule, use a formula to determine which cell to format. Then the next step is to enter the logical formula directly in the box. One thing to note that the formatting provided by us will execute only after the logical formula throw true as an output. So in our case, we will enter E5 and then enter equal to sign. After this, we will specify non-veg as one of our criteria. Once we have created this logical function, then we will click on Format, which take us on the formatting dialog box. Here, under the fill section, we will select red color, and under font section, we will select font color white. Now click on OK button. On screen it can be seen that non-vegetarian items are highlighted by the format of red color. Same action will be repeated for vegetarian dishes, which will be highlighted in green color. And for sweet and dessert, we will change only font color and font style to bold. The above example was related to text. Now we will look for another example which is related to date. On the screen, we can see the calendar for the month of March 2020. In this scenario, we are trying to highlight the leaves and weekends in the provided calendar. In the column N, we have provided leave dates for the restaurant. Now select the cell range from H5 to L11, and then we will repeat the same procedure as done earlier till inputting the formulae. To create the logical formula, we will use the combination of match and isNumber formulae. In the match function, we will choose H5 as lookup value and select column N as a table array. And then at the end of match formula, we will use 0 for exact match. Once we are done with match function, we will use isNumber formula, which will convert the output of match function into true or false. In a very simple language, the combination of this formula checks all dates in the calendar and leave dates in column Q and throw true if the date is available in column N. Now on the screen, we are able to highlight our leave dates. Same way we need to highlight for weekends. Weekday function in Excel takes a date and return the date of week in the series of 1 to 7, where 1 is Sunday and 7 belongs to Saturday. We can build the logical function to identify weekends. In the conditional formatting formula box, enter equal to sign, then use OR function, open bracket, use first logic using weekday function, select K5 equal to 1 for selecting Sunday, and for another logic use 7 for selecting Saturday. Apply the format and click on OK button. On the screen it can be observed that blank cell also got colored. Why this happened? Because of the bug that exists in Excel weekday formula. Now to overcome that bug, we need to create new rule where we will use isBlank formula to remove color from the blank cell. In the formula box, use enter equal to sign, then use isBlank and open bracket. Select K5 and close bracket. In the formatting section, select no color under the fill section and click on OK button twice. Select the manage rule, where on the screen a newly created rule can be seen, and on the right hand of the dialog box under the heading stop if true, select the checkbox against our newly created rule. On the screen it can be seen that earlier formatting for blank cell does not work anymore. So basically, Stop if true facility stops other rule from action if the selected rule stands true. It's give first preference of one condition over another. There are multiple combinations that can be used for the formula based condition formatting. In this video, we just tried to provide some glimpse. So that's it in today's video. If you find this session interesting and knowledgeable, then like this video, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any queries, then write them in comment section below. Thanks for watching.